Hello everyone, welcome back to SteamCode. In this video we're going to be talking about variables in Golang. If you haven't seen the previous video on how to actually create and run your first Go file, then check that out, it's linked in the description. So let's get started. So first, what are variables? Variables are things that hold information that we're able to use later within our program. And how do we declare these variables within Go? So we're going to need the var keyword. The var keyword declares one or more variables. So we can say var x. Then we need the type. So var x will be an integer. So var x int is equal to 1. Now if we print x down here and then run this, then as you can see, 1 is printed out. Now you can add variables as well, so var y int is equal to 2, and then you could print x plus y. If you were to save this and run it again, then as you can see, 3 is now printed out. But that's not the only way you can declare variables. Variables can also be declared as zero valued variables. So what zero valued variables are variables that are not given a value just yet. So if I said var x int and left it as that, the zero value for this would be 0. If this were a string, the zero value would just be an empty string. So now if I print out x plus y, as you can see, we're going to be able to see the result. It prints out 2 because the zero value for this x variable is 0 and y has been set to 2. Now this can be a little cumbersome to write, so Go has another way to declare variables. You can declare variables without the type, and Go will infer the type that it is. So if I set var x equal to 6, for example, and we print out x plus y, it should print out 8. And it does. And then also there's another way you can declare variables without using the var keyword at all. You can just say the variable name colon equals 7. And what this does is it tells Go that this is a variable, this z is a variable, and it automatically infers the type as well. So x plus y plus z forgot to save it. As we can see, x plus y plus z is 15 because 6 plus 2 plus 7 is 15. Now, you don't have to declare each variable on different lines as well. You can also declare each variable within one statement. So if we say var x y z is equal to 2, and then we add them all up, my bad, we have to say 2 and then declare each one in order. So say we did 2, 1, and 4. Then as you can see, it adds up these variables as they have been declared. And if we were to print out each one individually, you would be able to see that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 4. Alright, so this is just a basic overview of how you can create and use variables within the language of Go or Golang. I hope you've enjoyed, and in future tutorials we're going to go over some more complex concepts as well. Please check out our GitHub, our Patreon as well, and I'll see you in the next one.